Hi, everyone. I'm Chris from Red River, and today we're going to talk about one of the biggest questions we get when it comes to collaboration within Office 365, which is, what service do I use and when do I use it? For a while now, Office 365 has had multiple services that overlap in terms of content storage and collaboration. However, each of these services has a set of primary functions that is best suited for a particular set of use cases. When we're using Office 365, we can store content in one of the following locations: OneDrive for Business, SharePoint, or Teams. So let's review when I would choose to use SharePoint. We've talked about OneDrive for Business being your personal work storage solution, your My Documents folder in the cloud. If OneDrive for Business is your me space, then SharePoint is the we space. SharePoint is meant as a place for users in various departments and teams to come together and collaborate on files related to a common business purpose. I can have my internal sales workspace, my project workspace, or even an intranet site for sales and marketing. SharePoint workspaces define a set membership for the content within that workspace. If you belong to the workspace, then you will have access to the content within that workspace. Files and folders can be locked down further or opened up to other users as necessary. SharePoint workspaces can be private or they can be public, the latter of which often constitutes our modern intranet. Unlike OneDrive for Business, SharePoint sites are more than just a document library. You can bring in all kinds of functionality to accommodate the purpose of your workspace. You can have a shared inbox, a shared calendar, a shared Kanban board called Planner, a shared notebook. All of these features are out of the box and ready to be utilized. What SharePoint does not have are the robust communication tools that businesses need within their departments and teams in order to communicate with one another, which is where the third and final service comes into play, Microsoft Teams. Today, we talked about one of the great services that we use for content storage and collaboration. SharePoint is the place for shared content within the organization. It's your we space. In a future session, we'll explore another service for shared content, which is Microsoft Teams. That's it for today. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon.